Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you people are getting benefits. This video is just to show you that how powerful my cue cards are going to be that I'm currently writing. June to August 2020 cue cards that I'm currently writing. These will be available within 10 days or maybe 11 days. So actually the reason is that this time I just want to improve the quality so much that you people will be able to get so many benefits out of it. So in this video, I'm going to just reveal the very first cue card that I have written so that you can have an idea that what type of cue cards you people will be getting and how powerful and exceptional these cue cards are going to be for all of you. So before I start the video, I just want you to understand that the red lines, so there are three colors that I have used in this cue card. So the red lines are going to be for 7 plus, and all the green lines that I have highlighted with green colors is going to get you 8 plus, and for orange lines are those to impress the examiner. So these are the three things that we are targeting now. We are going to get 7 plus at least, and if you are willing to get 8 or more than that, you can also get that. And if you want to impress the examiner, you can also do that. So you can see that how powerful this is going to be. So let's just start it. Just watch the whole video so that you can have an idea that how important these cue cards are and how these are going to be very powerful. So as you can see that I have written this in such a way that I'm just answering all the bullet points that are with this cue card. So as you can see from the very first thing, an old person you know and respect. I've always loved and respected all the old people that I have ever met in my life. I always recommend that you need to use this line because it can get you 6.5 to 7 easily if you are able to use it, and it can be used in all type of cue cards. The main reason is that they have a lot of experience, and whenever I sit with them or do a conversation, I just am able to learn so many life lessons that help me to become a better version of myself. You can see that how strong the starting is. You are definitely going to impress the examiner. Wait for the green lines. You people will be amazed at how powerful these lines are. अभी इस लाइन को देखना, this yellow line is going to give you the idea that how we will be able to just impress the examiner. She is none other than my most loved person in the entire world, my grandmother. So if we have written comma here, that means you need to have a pause. Okay, so इसके यहाँ पर आपने थोड़ा सा pause लेना है. She is none other than my most loved person in the entire world, my grandmother. Her name is, she is currently in her early 70s. This is the line. This yellow line is going to get you a lot of scoring. This yellow line is going to tell that the examiner is going to be impressed. I never say that she is around 70 years old because I always say that she is 70 years young. Because the reason is that she has kept herself very well with the changing pace of life. I say her young, not old. This is a philosophical language, guys. You need to understand that by using philosophical language, we can increase our scoring a lot. How you know this person? She is my grandmother, therefore I have lived my entire life with her and absolutely know her very well. The simple lines, but very effective. I know about her nature very well. I know how she behaves with others, and her belief system means उनके सोचने का system क्या है. Here comes the green line. One of the main reasons why I know a lot about her is because she is one with whom I spend most of my time with. There is something that I would like to emphasize, जिसके ऊपर मैं focus करना चाहता हूँ. That is the feeling of gratefulness, means शुक्रगुजार होना. I feel so grateful to God for blessing me with such a great grandmother who loves me more than even my parents. As you can see, this is the line that is going to get you a lot of scoring. You know, we are talking about someone whom we love the most. And if you are unable to express your feelings, देखिए आप किसी को प्यार करते हैं और आपकी बातों से यही नहीं पता चल रहा है कि that you love that person, तो इस तरह के प्यार का कोई फायदा नहीं है. So you need to just elaborate that you definitely love her. You need to put emotions in your speaking. Who he or she is. Okay. So there can be some errors because this is not the finalized version. So sorry about that. If you are able to see some errors, you can comment below if you see any sort of error. I would be happy to see that. But still keep that in mind that this is just the initial version. I will check it thoroughly again. Again, a very complex structure, a very strong structure. Although she is currently in her 70s, she looks younger still. So you can also use still, or you can have a pause here. She looks younger for her age, and the main reason is she is very disciplined. अभी ये आप देखोगे why these lines are very powerful. अभी आपको पता लगेगा. She is a highly educated lady because she knows. इसको आप पढ़ लोगे. You can just read it. So I'm just leaving this part here. Okay. Explain why you respect him or her. There are so many qualities that make every person respect her. See this line. To be honest, I feel that it would be unfair to highlight just two or three of the qualities, but still, for the presentation purposes, I would like to highlight some of the exceptional qualities that really make her respectable. सच बता रहा हूँ कि ये चीज मुझे सही नहीं लगती कि मैं सिर्फ दो तीन बातें बताऊं. इसका मतलब ये है कि आप बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज बताना चाहते हैं, that you are willing to explore so many of her qualities. तो आपको जब ऐसा नहीं होता किसी के पास बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज हो और आपको सिर्फ दो तीन बताने का ही मौका मिल रहा है, तो आपको बुरा लगता है कि काश मैं बहुत सारी बता सकता. सो ये पता चलता है कि दैट यू हैव अ वेरी डीप अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ समथिंग. ओके. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, शी इज अ वेरी गुड लिसनर. मैनी पीपल हैव द पेशेंस टू लिसन टू अदर्स. नॉट मैनी पीपल, ज्यादा लोगों के पास नहीं होती, बट whenever someone talks with her, she silently listens to their conversation, provides them the suitable answer or solution that is highly suitable for them. The second reason is that मैंने यहाँ पर ही लिख दिया. She is a very positive person. Whenever any problem occurs, she always focuses on the solution rather than focusing on the problem. Because what she believes is that we get what we focus on. A very strong line. She always says that this is the line. If we focus on positivity, then positivity grows. And if on negativity, then negativity grows. A very powerful line, guys. The examiner is definitely going to be impressed by your way of speaking. यार आप बहुत अच्छा कर किया होगे. She has the habit of finding out positivity whenever any source of नेगेटिव लिखना था. हाँ, मैंने यहाँ पर नेगेटिव स्टेशन लिख दिया. सिचुएशन. So as you can see that I still need to read it. Okay. Whenever any dispute occurs in my home, she is the one who always comes in front and solves all these issues. This is a line for impressing the examiner. Well, there are not enough reasons to respect. These are not enough reasons to respect her. There's even a bigger reason why I definitely love her and respect her. So हम इसको थोड़ा सा fun बनाएं. That is whenever I do any sort of mistake, my father is about to scold me. Okay. यहाँ पर she always comes to rescue. वो मुझे बचाने के लिए आ जाती हैं. Because of that reason, because of her attitude, because of her approach to find solutions for the problems, because of her mindset, I love her, respect her, and will always be respecting her. So this is what you can see, that this is the power of my cue cards that I always write for you. And this is going to last for about 2 minutes or 30 seconds, around 2 minutes plus 30 seconds. So this is going to be long enough. You can see that this is what my cue cards are going to be, and you can just have an idea. I will still be posting some more cue cards just for you guys so that you can have an understanding that how these cue cards can be really effective for you, and how only you will be able to find these cue cards on my channel. So but there is again, I'm not just going to praise myself, I'm just doing it for yourself. और मुझे पता है कि जब हम किसी के लिए करते हैं तब उसका रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा आता है, बहुत पावरफुल आता है. सो आई नो दैट आई वांट यू, ऑल ऑफ यू, टू बिकम सक्सेसफुल इन योर लाइफ. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीजन, क्योंकि मेरे दिमाग में ऐसी बात है कि आप सभी सक्सेसफुल हो, इसीलिए मुझे पता है कि ये वाले क्यू कार्ड्स बहुत पावरफुल बनेंगे. सो थैंक्स ऑल गाइस. आई होप दिस वीडियो वाज हेल्पफुल टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सो मुझे खुशी होगी कि जब ये क्यू कार्ड्स मैं आप सभी को अवेलेबल करवा सकूंगा. थैंक्स ऑल. कीप लर्निंग, कीप शेयरिंग.